Has unveiled the Lava Blaze Curve 5G that has been teasing for over a month. As evident from its name, the Lava Blaze Curve 5G is built around a curved AMOLED display measuring 6.67 inches diagonally with a 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD plus resolution screen. The screen is protected by Dragon Trail Star 2 glass and has 800 nits of peak brightness. There's a centered punch-hole 32 megapixel selfie camera and an in-display fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. It has a rear panel that is made of 3D glass design with a matte finish and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It sports a triple camera setup comprising of a 64 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel 120 frame field of view, ultra wide and 2 megapixel rubbish camera. The primary camera has a Sony Sense and supports EIS. Under the hood, you get a Dimensity 7050 SoC with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The phone runs Android 13 out of the box, which is extremely sad and does not have ads or unwanted apps. They promise 2 Android updates of Android 14 and 15 with 3 years of quarterly security updates. This is extremely poor of Lava. They should have started with Android 14 and given 15 and 16. The rest of the Lava Blaze Curve 5G has a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging, stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, 5G support on both the SIMs. It comes in iron glass or Viridian glass colors with two memory options, 8 128, 8 256. Price is 17,999 or 18,999 respectively. It will go on sale in India on March 11th through Amazon.in or Lava's official Indian website. They offer free service at home with the Blaze Curve 5G during the warranty period.